What's good, people? It's your boy Big Dre. Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel. Before we get into this video, just hit that like button down below. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you know whenever I release a new video. Our target for this video is just to get 5 likes, so if you can hit that like button, it'd be much appreciated. You get me? Just hit that like button down below. We're just gonna try and get 5 likes. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because it's gonna be very informative. It's gonna be entertaining. It's gonna be a bit of banter. And also it's going to be educational, you know what I mean? It's going to show you what happens if you don't do your research when you're trying to invest in the crypto market. So guys, crypto eats. This is a scam that happened very recently. A lot of influencers were promoting it. You know, they had a crypto eats app. And so essentially, for those of you who don't know, crypto eats is basically an app where you can use cryptocurrencies to purchase food. Now, the app itself never actually launched. However, they did have a coin which they encourage a lot of people to buy through various means of marketing, mainly using influencers from Instagram and TikTok. So what they actually did, they reached out to many different influencers and paid them to promote the coin. Of course, now they've got people to purchase the coin using these influencers platforms, and they accumulated somewhere near the region of 500k. They pulled the rug on everyone. They stopped the withdrawal process, meaning you could not touch the money. The money's frozen, it's gone. Money come like good customer service in the yard shop, non-existent. The money come like the roses you sent to your ex-missus on Valentine's Day, shriveled up and tired. No substance, no moisture. Rose petals falling off and that. So as I said, in total, from this marketing that they did, they accumulated somewhere in the region of £500,000 GBP, roughly 480, something like that, but let's just round up to 500. So one of the TikTok influencers that they got to do actually made an apology video, stressing and crying. Brother, you should have done your research. Too quick to take peace, that's why. Now they even got Bouncer to come on this project to help market. Now Bouncer himself never actually promoted the cryptocurrency, never promoted the coin. What Bouncer did was promote the app. As I said at the start of the video, the app never launched itself. So when all this controversy happened, posted up, DM that they sent him, showing that it was a business transaction, pretty much make it clear he wasn't trying to scam anyone or anything like that. Personally, I don't think that Bouncer was trying to scam anyone because one, he doesn't need the money, and then two, his platform's too big. There's no reason for him to scam people because it's just gonna have a backlash and affect his brand. Now to all of you that fell victim to this scam, only thing I gotta say to you, like, Peas is gone. It's not coming back. Peas ain't coming back, It's like when you bought that car thinking that she's gonna stay, but she still left you, bro. So make sure you take a shot of that tequila, you know what I'm saying? Big Dre on all platforms, bruv. Out to Castillo. Take one for the road. So we do it, brother. Smashing, mate. Great stuff. Now, guys, situations like this get dire when you don't dire. Dire meaning do your own research. Now, if people would have researched this project, had a look at it, see who's behind the project, their roadmap. What do they plan to do? What is this cryptocurrency about? Is it just about an app where you can purchase food using cryptocurrency? What exchanges is the project on? Yeah, you got to do your due diligence first before you just start splashing money, splashing cash on projects you don't know nothing about. I know there was certain man put their mortgages on the line, yeah, thinking, this app is going to blow up. Everyone's going to be using it. Lockdown's coming. I'll make a video talking about cryptocurrencies you should invest in during lockdown as well, you see me? They stupidly made a decision to put their mortgages on the line, and the missus wants to divorce. He's moving in with his best mate. That's a rough one, geezer, yeah? The shot ain't gonna help you for that one, brother. Now, if you guys check out my previous video, you'll see that I responded to someone who said that boss token's a scam, and I showed you different things that you should look through before you start investing into cryptocurrencies. How you can do your due diligence before you just waste your money. This is very unfortunate. Of course, this is damaging for the influencers who put that on their platform and then the app just come and teeth off people money. But also, this is going to have a bad impact on the cryptocurrency space in general. So if this gets onto Sky News, BBC News, anything like that, all it's going to do is make sure that a lot of our exchanges get centralized, more regulated. And we want it. We like DeFi. If you want me to do a video educating you a lot about the cryptocurrencies in terms of like DeFi, centralization, decentralization, leave a comment down below. So yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Forget about crypto eats. Yeah, forget about investing into crypto eats. I got a lot of videos on my channel showing you a lot of coins that you should invest in. And all the coins I've mentioned, every single coin, every single one, bud, has gone up in value. I've done a video talking about the importance of setting your goals and writing them down. And I was talking about different cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu was part of one of them. It then blew up. I spoke about Polygon and other cryptocurrencies. Every single cryptocurrency I've mentioned, every single one of them have gone up. And it's got the credibility there for you. I've done my research. so that you lot don't have to. But no matter what, you should always do your own, because there might be something that the person that you're watching or the person that you're taking that information from has missed. Anyway guys, at the end of the video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Big Dre on all platforms. If this video has been useful to you in any way, shape or form, if it's been entertaining at all, make sure you share it up with your friends. Share it with your Marjay, you know what I'm saying? Share it with your grandma. She might even want to get into cryptocurrencies. It's been Big Dre.